Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, leather trim seats, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. Your new ride is just a phone call away.